Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it's your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without the subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. Sorry that I updated you today that Executive Chairman Keza Motaung released in a message for congratulations to his daughter Jessica Motaung after being appointed as a FIFA Men's Football Stakeholder Committee today. Dr. Keza Motaung said, "This is yet another well-deserved recognition for Jessica, acknowledging her dedication, expertise, and impactful contribution to South African and African football as a whole," says Executive Chairman Dr. Keza Motaung. "It is a proud moment for us as any organization to see her presentation Kaizer Chiefs, South Africa and Africa at the highest level of global football. We will continue to support her wholeheartedly as she shared her remarkable talent with the world. We know she is strong and will deliver the results for the committee," he adds. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please, rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.